Hi YouTube, Roseanne here. Years ago, my yellow Play It Loud Game Boy had its plastic screen fall off. It was glued back together with super glue. This melted the plastic on the Game Boy and the plastic screen. It also did not stay on for very long. I've ordered this glass replacement screen to install on my Game Boy. It's black rather than grey, but I feel it will look pretty good. Here is the GBO glass screen. It comes in a bag and it has a screen protector on each side. I'm going to remove the back one. There's 3M adhesive as well, but it's covering the screen. I wonder how this is supposed to work. Still opaque. What if I go deeper? I see how it works now. Let's remove the old damaged screen and give the LCD a little clean. I'll keep the new glass screen above the LCD to stop any dust getting in. Firstly, I'll remove the center like this. Then I'll pull the tab to stick the screen down. I'll make sure it's properly stuck down, and then I'll peel off the final protective film. Lastly, I'll just add some batteries and I'll get out Mario to give this a test. Oh dear. Time to dust the cartridge slot. That's better. Time for some Mario. It's looking great. I think this is a success. Just look at the difference. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to see more of my videos. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!